Well, it is very cold here in Minnesota. The high today is 10 below zero. The low tonight is 30 below. It's cold. And we are gonna take boiling water, throw it up into the air. Before it hits the ground, it's gonna vaporize and turn into ice pellets and snow. Check it out.
Boiling water.
Boiling water. Okay. All right, we have boiling water coming out. It's 32 below zero. We got food coloring in the boiling water. Here we go. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Here we go, guys.
Oh yeah!
On fire! Woo! Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. That was a fun experiment. If you like this video, what do they do, guys?
Hit that like button.
And see you later.